Mayank, for someone who has just availed of a policy, as you mentioned, a lot of people are becoming more aware, and the fear that we are all living in is probably also making us, go ahead and get ourselves a health cover for ourselves and our family. Uh, but just to educate people that, even if you've just taken a cover, could you tell us what is the uh, various landmarks after which I can avail of my cover? In terms of, if I've just bought a cover, it's not like if I get admitted tomorrow, I'm going to get a claim. So could you take us through the timeline by when and the duration after which a customer can actually avail of the health insurance?
So typically, any health insurance policy has a 30 days, waiting period for the cost to get, start getting reimbursement. And typically, it is to make sure that if there's any treatment that you wanted, then you're not buying policy because of that. And if there are other pre-existing conditions, of course, many policies may have some waiting period for that. But typically, this is 30 days waiting period from the time you buy a policy. So 30 days hence all expenses start getting covered. But here also I would say that the insurers and including us, we are taking lenient stand here. We will not be very rigid if we see that there is a need. In many cases we have actually made our processes much more lenient in claims area. So not only are we working from home, but we're, if we don't get enough documentation, or we are able to get, call up people and get confirmations. We're using many other methods to make sure that we make the whole claims process easy. And I'm sure all insurers will do that even in case of new buyers.